there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we take the guesswork out of your purchases. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we've got the Holy Stone HS440, and on the right, its feisty little sibling, the Holy Stone HS430. Let's see which one of these high flyers deserves a spot in your shopping cart. Buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes or breaks any purchase: the price. The HS440 comes in at $129, while the HS430 is a more wallet-friendly $77. So if you're looking to save some bucks, the HS430 is already flying ahead. But remember, folks, sometimes you get what you pay for. Let's see if that holds true here. Now, let's talk cameras. The HS440 boasts a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera with a wide-angle lens that lets you capture your cousin's weird dance moves from every angle at the family reunion. Meanwhile, the HS430 also has a 1080p camera, but it's more like the camera on your first flip phone. Decent, but not dazzling. If you're a photo enthusiast, the HS440 might just be your new best friend. Reviewers say the HS440's camera quality is decent for the price, while the HS430 offers great still photos but lacks in video quality. Moving on to flight time. Because who wants to be grounded? The HS440 offers a solid 20 minutes of airtime, giving you plenty of time to annoy your neighbors. The HS430, however, comes with two modular batteries, stretching your fun to nearly 30 minutes. That's enough time to fly over to your ex's house and then some. Reviewers appreciate the HS430's extended flight time with its 3 batteries, while the HS440's 22-minute battery life is also well received. Next up, portability. The HS440 is foldable and comes with a carrying case, making it perfect for those spontaneous trips to the park. On the other hand, the HS430 is so compact, it can practically hide in your sock drawer. Both are portable, but the HS430 is the clear winner if you're looking to sneak it into your next family gathering unnoticed. Reviewers find the HS440's carrying case high quality and the HS430's compactness highly convenient. Ease of use is crucial, especially for beginners. The HS440 has automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. Basically, it's like having a drone with a PhD. The HS430, however, is the class clown with features like voice control, gesture control, and even throw to go. Yes, you can literally toss it into the air and it will start flying. Just don't throw it at your dog, trust me on this one. Reviewers praise the HS440 for its beginner-friendly features and the HS430 for its fun and unique controls. Finally, let's talk about the fun factor. The HS440 has some neat tricks, but the HS430 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. With high-speed rotation, circle fly, trajectory flight, and 360 degrees flips, it's basically a circus in the sky. If fun is your middle name, then the HS430 is your spirit animal. Reviewers enjoy the HS430's myriad of fun features, while the HS440 is appreciated for its durability and stable flight. Overall, reviewers find the HS440 to be durable, easy to use, and a great drone for beginners with a solid camera. The HS430, on the other hand, is praised for its affordability, fun features, and extended flight time, making it a great choice for those looking to have some high-flying fun without breaking the bank. So there you have it, folks. The HS440 is like the reliable, slightly nerdy older sibling with a camera that slays, while the HS430 is the wild child that's ready to party all night long. Which one should you buy? Well, that depends on what floats your drone. Or should I say, flies your drone. If you want top-notch camera quality and a slightly longer flight time, go for the HS440. But if you're all about fun features and saving some cash, the HS430 is your go-to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description below. Until next time, happy flying, smart shoppers!